Stop guessing on why your Proton Calendar widget is blank or not loading events on GrapheneOS. This is exactly how you fix the sync freeze without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing, but here at Rexus we know it is a background execution lockout where the hardened OS kills the widget's refresh cycle to save power. Before we troubleshoot, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with an empty calendar every time you reboot. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so your schedule stays visible. The problem is that Proton Calendar uses a specific alarm and sync trigger that GrapheneOS treats as a battery drainer, putting the widget into a deep sleep. This is the authority fix from Rexus that guarantees your widget recovery. You might think the app is broken, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is that you must bypass the system's alarms and reminders restriction to let the widget wake up. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a populated schedule is seconds away. First, go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Proton Calendar App Battery Usage, and set it to Unrestricted. Next, scroll down in the same app info menu to Alarms and Reminders and toggle it on. This is the key to background refreshes. Finally, long press the empty widget on your home screen, remove it, and re-add it to force the system to rebuild the event cache. The Proton Widget Refresh Matrix Component setting required battery mode set to Unrestricted, essential for background sync. Alarms and reminders toggle on. Allows the widget to wake up the app. Sandboxed Play and Sure Play Services has network access maintenance clear cache in Proton Calendar storage export to Sheets. If you follow me exactly, your events are now showing up perfectly on your home screen. Comment below if you want the secret to syncing Proton Calendar with local Android apps on GrapheneOS.